What if your glasses could instantly tell you who's standing next to you? Sounds like sci-fi, but Meta's reportedly bringing facial recognition to their Ray-Ban Meta AI glasses. This could be a game changer or a privacy nightmare. Stick around to find out what's coming. Welcome to GadInsider, your front row seat to the wild world of tech. Today we're diving into Meta's rumored facial recognition feature for their smart glasses. Let's break it down. According to a hot report, Meta's working on a feature called Super Sensing for their Ray-Ban Meta AI glasses. Here's the deal. These glasses could scan faces around you and identify people by name, all powered by the glasses' live AI tech. Imagine walking into a room and your glasses whispering, "That's your old coworker Dave." Cool, right? But maybe a little creepy too. So how's this gonna work? The feature builds on the live AI already in Meta's smart glasses, which lets them process real-time data. It's codenamed Super Sensing internally, and it's said to be opt-in for glasses owners. That means you choose whether to turn it on. But here's the catch. People around you, they don't get a say if their faces are scanned. Right now, the glasses flash an LED when the camera's on, but it's unclear if there'll be any warning for facial recognition. That's raising some big questions. This tech could be huge. Picture networking events where your glasses ID everyone you meet, or reconnecting with someone whose name you forgot. Meta's betting on making life more convenient. But hold up, privacy is a massive concern. If someone's scanning your face without consent, that's a hard no for many. Plus, Meta's track record with data privacy isn't exactly spotless. Will they handle this responsibly? We'll have to wait and see. Meta hasn't officially confirmed this yet, so we're going off leaks for now. The feature is still in development, and there's no word on when or if it'll roll out. If it does, expect it to be exclusive to Ray-Ban Meta AI glasses, at least at first. The big question is, will users embrace this, or will privacy concerns shut it down? What do you think? Game changer or total overreach? Drop your take in the comments. That's the scoop on Meta's facial recognition plans. If you're curious about the future of tech, hit that like button, subscribe to GadInsider, and tap the bell icon for more juicy updates.